Shabu-shabu or grill? May mga panahon din ba kayo na isa lang sa dalawang cravings nyo? Well, may dinayo kami na buffet na pwede ka mamili between hot pot or grill. At dito lang yan sa may Tongyang sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. At dahil sa panahon ngayon na paulan-ulan, hot pot ang cravings namin today. Kaya tara, let's go! Pagpasok mo pa lang dito, bubungad na sa'yo yung iba't ibang food selections nila. Ang gusto ko dito, ikaw mismo ang pipili ng ingredients na gusto mong iluto. From different kinds of fresh meat and seafoods hanggang sa vegetables, iba't ibang klase ng noodles at shabu-shabu balls. Next step is you choose your soup base. May 6 choices dito and I went with their laksa soup. And here's a nice part. Every refill, you can try a different soup base. So kung gusto mong magpalit ng flavor, go lang. Plus, nagustuhan ko yung size ng hot pot bowl nila. Sakto siya for solo, sarili mong luto, sarili mong soup base, at sarili mong timpla. And for me, hot pot is way better with dipping sauce. You can request one from them or make your own sauce exactly the way you like it. And of course, hindi lang hot pot ingredients ang makikita mo dito. May iba't ibang ready-to-eat dishes din like tempura, dim sum, may side dishes, at tingnan nyo, yung maki nila, ang daming choices din. At hindi lang yan, may dessert, salad, fresh fruits, mini cakes, and ice cream. Unlimited drinks din like soft drinks, juices, and coffee. Kaya naman talagang mabubusog ka sa dami ng choices dito. And yes, unlimited siya, pero take note, no leftovers please. So get only what you can finish. So basically, this is one buffet, but you get to enjoy it your way, hot pot or grill. By the way, this offer is good for weekday lunch only. And you get to enjoy this for 90 minutes for only 758 pesos. So kung magla-lunch ka today, ano ang pipiliin mo? Hot pot or grill?